If you're tired of watching your grocery bill skyrocket and want real hacks that actually work in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing how you can slash your grocery bill by up to 50% without clipping a single coupon. Imagine saving $500 every month, eating healthy and beating grocery inflation, all while spending less time and energy shopping. Sounds good? Stick around because I'm sharing the 10 best hacks that are working right now. Quick question, what's the most you've ever spent on groceries in a single month? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to know if anyone's topped my record. 1. Shop your pantry and freezer first. Before you step foot in a store, check your kitchen. The average American family throws out $1,500 worth of food every year. That's money straight in the trash. Open your fridge, freezer, and pantry. What do you already have? Build your meal plan around those ingredients, especially anything close to expiring. Try the girl dinner trend. Throw together a meal from leftovers and pantry finds. Every meal you make from what you already own is money saved. So, master meal planning. Meal planning isn't just for super organized people, you know. It's actually the #1 way to save money and cut food waste. Here's how to do it. First, check store flyers or apps for weekly sales. Then, plan your meals around what's on sale and what you already have at home. Write a simple meal plan for the week. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks too. Make a shopping list and stick to it. This keeps you from impulse buying and, well, ensures you use up what's in your kitchen. All right, next up, buy in bulk, but be strategic about it. Bulk buying is a grocery game changer, but only if you do it right. Staples like rice, beans, oats and flour are always cheaper in bulk, but don't buy perishables in bulk unless you've got a plan to use or store them. If you score a deal on bulk produce, freeze or preserve what you can't eat right away. For example, if you buy a big bag of chicken thighs on sale, portion them out and freeze for later. Now, shop seasonal and local. Seasonal produce is fresher, tastier and, quite often, much cheaper. Visit local farmers markets, co-ops or maybe sign up for a CSA box. At the end of the season, farmers often sell bulk produce at a discount, perfect for preserving or freezing. Shopping local supports your community and honestly can help you dodge those national price spikes. Right, so you don't need coupons to save big. Just download cashback apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards or Rakuten. All you have to do is snap a photo of your receipt or link your loyalty account and you'll get real money back on your everyday purchases. Some of these apps even stack with store sales so you can double your savings without much fuss. Here's the thing, grocery stores love to trick you with packaging. Always check the price per ounce or pound, not just the sticker price you see on the shelf. Bigger packages usually cost less per unit, but not always, so don't take it for granted. Look for the shelf label with the unit price and do a quick comparison. That way, you'll choose the best deal every time. Fresh is great, but honestly, frozen, canned and dried foods are absolute budget lifesavers. Frozen fruits and veggies are picked at peak ripeness, and more often than not, they're cheaper than fresh. Canned beans, tomatoes and tuna, those are cheap, healthy and last forever in your cupboard. Dried lentils and pasta are real pantry MVPs. Just a quick heads up, watch for added salt or sugar in canned goods and go for low sodium or no sugar added when you can. Right, so hack number 8, stick to staple foods. Whole foods like oats, potatoes, lentils, eggs and chicken thighs are not only nutritious, but they're also really affordable. Prepackaged and ultra-processed foods, on the other hand, cost a lot more per serving and honestly they just don't keep you full as long. Try building your meals around these staples and, use the pricier items as accents, not the main event. Now, hack number 9, understand expiration dates. Don't toss food just because it's past the best by date. Those dates are mostly about quality, not safety. except for baby formula, of course. Use your senses. If it looks, smells and tastes fine, it probably is. This one little tip alone can save you hundreds each year, honestly. Hack number 10. Preserve food like a pro. Food preservation isn't just for homesteaders these days. Canning, freezing and fermenting can help you take advantage of bulk deals and in-season produce. Freeze extra berries, can tomatoes or pickle cucumbers, yeah? You'll have healthy, homemade ingredients all year, at just a fraction of the store price. If you're finding these hacks helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips every week. And let me know in the comments, which hack are you trying first? Now, here's number 11. Shop sales, but only for what you'll use. It's tempting to buy everything on sale, but only stock up on items you know you'll use before they expire. Plan your meals around weekly specials. If chicken is half price, make it the star of your dinners this week. And honestly, just skip the deal on something you don't actually like or need. Number 12. Use a grocery budget and track your spending. Set a realistic grocery budget for your household. Track every grocery purchase for a month. Yes, every single one. You'll spot patterns, impulse buys, and areas to cut back. Adjust your budget and stick to it. Apps like Mint or YNAB make this super easy. Number 13. Limit trips to the store. The more often you shop, the more you spend. Try to shop once a week or even once every 2 weeks. Fewer trips mean fewer temptations and impulse buys. 14. Swap expensive proteins for cheaper alternatives. Meat, poultry and seafood are some of the priciest items you'll find in your cart. Try swapping beef for chicken thighs, pork shoulder, or even plant-based proteins like beans and tofu. Also, it's a good idea to buy meat in bulk when it's on sale and freeze portions for later. 15. Avoid shopping while hungry. This one's simple, but it's actually quite powerful. Shopping hungry leads to impulse buys and junk food cravings, which can really add up. So, eat before you go and stick to your list. 16. Make your own snacks. Pre-packaged snacks are convenient, sure, but they're also expensive. Instead, make your own trail mix, granola bars or popcorn at home. You'll save money and honestly, you'll eat healthier too. 17. Try store brands. Store brands are often made by the same companies as name brands, just with a different label. It's a good idea to compare ingredients and prices. Most of the time you won't notice a difference, except in your wallet. 18. Use technology to your advantage. These days, many stores have apps with digital coupons, sales alerts and rewards programs. Set up notifications for your favorite stores so you never miss a deal. Some apps even let you scan barcodes to compare prices instantly. It's a simple way to save a bit more every time you shop. 19. Shop online for groceries. Online grocery shopping helps you avoid those impulse buys and stick to your list. You can filter by what's on sale and compare prices easily. Plus, you see your total before you check out, so no surprises at the register. It really takes the guesswork out of budgeting. 20. Build a simple food storage system. Keep a running list of what you have in your pantry and freezer. Rotate items so nothing goes to waste. Having a stocked kitchen means you can always whip up a meal. No need for last-minute takeout. It's just a bit of planning that saves you money and stress. Ready to start saving $500 a month on groceries without feeling deprived? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more inflation-proof grocery hacks and budgeting tips every week. Comment below with your favorite grocery hack or the one you're trying first. And share this video with a friend who needs to beat grocery inflation in 2025. You've got this. Eat well, spend less, and take back control of your grocery budget.